knocked on our gate. Empty pot on the fire, every plan running late. But you opened up a window from a place we didn't know. Bag of rice at the door.